We welcome you here today to share in this joyous occasion the marriage of Stephanie and Mark. Each brings a unique personality and spirit to this wedding, from which their marriage and life together will grow. Your love, your guidance, and your friendship will always, always be a precious part of their togetherness.
7 years ago, two complete strangers met at work one day. They started out as co-workers, they became friends, and their personalities drew them closer and closer together. They had found that missing piece in their lives that they didn't even know they were looking for. What more can anyone ask for?
Mark, you've always been a great guy, but since you've been with Stephanie, you've grown a lot. And I think that Stephanie motivates you to be a better person. I think she's made you a better man. And so if you're only as good as who you love, I think you're great, and I think you've made him a better person, and I think that's why you're meant to be.
Mark, I told you once before that I liked you and thought you were a good man. Turns out you're a better father.
Noah.
Oh, Noah, Daddy.
Oh, Noah.
I'm proud to have you as my son-in-law. I couldn't be any happier with the man my daughter has chosen to be her life partner.
That's what I fall out of this one. Oops, almost all the money's back.
I never know how to use the back of the vest piece. I don't know what that's for.
It's to make it, it's a cummerbund almost.
Oh, funny.
Stephanie, it's no surprise to me that you're the mother and wife you are. You put your heart and soul into your relationship and your children, and it shows. You're simply the best.
Thank you.
So how's my little...
Is it even? Is it center, Chelsea? You tell me.
This direction.
That was Miss Caroline. She's going to take nice pictures of us today. Why? Because
Hi, Dad.
Yay!
Beautiful.
You like it?
You look beautiful.
Thanks.
Nice, nice. Excellent, excellent. Good choice. Good choice.
Yay.
I'm so happy to see you guys make a future together today. And these two little guys, I'm sure, are going to be so happy with you as mom and dad and now husband and wife for forever. And I just want to say that I can't think of a better reason to celebrate than you two finding each other and having forever together.
You're great. You look amazing.
I've seen the suit before.
Not with the vest and the fancy tie. I worked really hard to make sure it matched.
There are 1,000 reasons I love you, but we don't have time for all that. So just know that I choose you. I'll choose you over and over, without pause, without doubt. I'll keep choosing you. In infinite lifetimes, in a million universes, across time and space, it wouldn't matter. I'd find you, I'd choose you, and I'd love you unconditionally and wholeheartedly the rest of my life.
Stephanie, when I met you, I was a ship out in open water. I had no idea where I was or how to get home. You rushed over me like a powerful storm, relentless, insistent, and to be honest, a little frightening at times. There were moments where I thought I would capsize and moments I really wanted to abandon ship. I had no idea where you were taking me. One day, though, I woke up and I saw the rains had stopped, the skies had cleared, and I realized you brought me home. You give me a kind of love and affection and devotion I thought I'd never see. You gave me 2 beautiful children who I'm thankful for every day. And you gave me purpose I had lost long ago. For all this and so much more, I am forever grateful. You are my relentless winds of purpose. I love you more than I can say. And I can't wait to see all of the adventures in store for us.
Some people spend a lifetime trying to find happiness. Stephanie and Mark create it.